Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 5 Series guys, I'm talking about F10, F11 BMW guys with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine, N20 or N26 engine, and you're trying to find timing marks, stay with us guys, we'll explain how to do that today guys. And another thing, you need to watch until the end, because if you have one of those guys, okay, we'll show you what can lead to a $5,000 to $10,000 repair on that engine. So make sure to stay until the end guys. This is a 2013 BMW 528i that we'll be working on guys. We'll have more than 200 to 300 videos taking that thing completely apart and providing free videos to you. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. You will guys need 3 special tools for setting the timing on that BMW, and you can find the links and the tools listed in the description of the video below guys. The ones that we use for your convenience, everything will be shared in the description of the video below. Now first you need to bring guys the engine to TDC point, top dead center point. One of the tools, okay, this is the big case right here, comes with the TDC pin. TDC pin is a device that you enter in a specific place in the engine block, aligns with the flywheel and brings the engine to top dead center. Now it's a complicated thing, so we have the specific video for that, how to bring TDC engine on BMW F10, so N20 engine. Check it out guys, and it's going to explain all of that. Now another thing guys, once the engine is at TDC point, okay, you need another tool to hold the camshafts. Once the camshafts are installed guys, okay, you can see this is the holder, so it keeps them in place and they cannot turn. Then you have another tool right here. This is all one tool I'm talking about so far. It comes everything in that box. TDC pin, that tool, and this tool for the Vanos variable timing gear sprockets guys, so it can set the angles correctly and all that stuff as well. So that being said guys, okay, you can see that's one of the tools that we need. You need one more tool, these two guys. Without that tool you cannot do the timing on that BMW. Why? Because this is a flywheel holder tool. That tool goes in the flywheel guys from the transmission side. If you want to see more on how to use it, we have a special video that explains how to use a flywheel holder tool on BMW 5 Series N20 engine guys. And with that flywheel tool guys, you're going to hold the flywheel so you can get the bolt for the crankshaft, okay, loose and later tighten it, because it requires enormous amount guys of force. Okay, and all that being said, now we need one more tool. You're going to need that tool guys, okay. Just order it, so we're waiting on it. But what you need now, this is the oil pump alignment tool guys, and the counter balance shaft. You have a shaft with weights guys that makes your engine run smooth. When your engine let's say it reaches TDC point, there is a balance shaft on the bottom that actually is going to turn to an opposite angle, so your engine guys, it's not going to create vibrations and it can run smooth. And you're going to set the counterbalance shaft alignment tool, okay, with the help of that little device right here. And let me show you where it goes. Okay, I need to go under the car now, okay, to show you, so give me a second. Okay, I'm getting myself in. So with the oil pan being removed, this is it here guys, this is the oil pump where it's sucking oil. You remove that 10mm bolt, get that black thing out. That's where you're going to align. Okay, this is the alignment for the okay, let me just position, okay, like that, so I can see a little bit. This is where you're going to see the alignment, if it's perfect for the counterbalance shaft. Through that hole you can see the mark. There is a mark and the bolt will sink in that mark because it's kind of like drilled in. And you're going to install your tool here. Now TDC pin is right there, but we have more about TDC point, so please check out the video guys, it explains more. And right there now, okay, right there, that's where you're going to install your transmission flywheel holder tool as well. So very complicated thing. The whole video will be on our channel from start to finish, how to remove and replace timing chain, so please check it out. Another thing now guys that I told you that can cost you $5,000 to $10,000 to fix your engine. Okay, if you don't replace your timing chain, this one has only 87,000 miles, some years are affected. We have more about that timing chain failure on BMW F30 and F10 guys. It's going to explain. Some years are prone to doing that. At 87,000 miles, the thing fell apart. This is the timing chain guide, plastic guide. So as you can see, everything fell apart guys, and as a result we jumped the timing 3 teeth. We were lucky that I think we didn't hurt the engine. We're going to find out for sure, but otherwise 9 out of 10 people guys will end up needing new engine or the old engine rebuilt. So Hopefully the video will be helpful. The whole replacement video will be on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.